Here's TNT Auto's first review of our 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This Limited has four-wheel drive, navigation, panoramic moonroof, heated and cooled leather seats, and more. This vehicle comes equipped with the Luxury Level 2 package. Incredibly smooth ride with Jeep's 8-speed automatic transmission. Take on any road or trail with select terrain traction control. Dial from automatic to sport mode. Snow, sand, mud, or rock. Very well equipped with Uconnect audio-video system with an 8-inch high-resolution touchscreen with navigation. Sirius XM satellite radio, USB port, Bluetooth audio and phone. Panoramic dual-pane sunroof, front heated and cooled leather seats, second row heated leather seats, power windows, power door locks with remote start, and a push-button start. Heated steering wheel, tilt wheel, cruise control, alloy wheels, and a power liftgate. This 2018 comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 295 horsepower and getting approximately 24 miles per gallon.